y'all. Well, it is a good weekend, I hope. Gonna be a good weekend, I hope. If you see outside the door there, it is currently 60 degrees, on its way to 79. I almost guarantee you we'll touch 80 for the first time since, I don't know, September of last year. Almost 80 again tomorrow, 78, 79 degrees. Of course, it's going to be 41 by Wednesday, a high of 41, because it's Michigan, and this is, I don't know, this is the worst winter and spring. The winter wasn't even that bad, but it just won't let go. Anyway, enough of that. We're going to finish the chrome and a whole bunch of installation stuff on the L9000. We're going to take the Lodestar and hopefully the L9000 both for drives this weekend too. Road's dry enough, they kind of graded it, and it's gonna be warm, so why not? Time to go for some joy rides here. So with that being said, let's get to work. All right, well, poof, it's Sunday afternoon. It has been a very long weekend. As you can see, I'm a little sunburned. You might have just heard that thunder because there's some strong storms about to roll in. But I cranked yesterday, worked myself right into a case of sunstroke or heat stroke or whatever you want to call it, because I was dumb and didn't drink enough water. I actually drank beer. So silver bullets and no water when it's 80 degrees and you're working on asphalt without sunglasses is not very bright. So anyway, but I got most of this truck done, and then today did some shooting, blew off the yard and got it ready, and finished up what I needed to do on the L9000. So you're gonna see nothing of the work I did, but we're gonna do a cool little walk around and I'll show you what it looks like now that it's mostly done. I still got some odds and ends to do. I've still got mud flaps, some different mud flaps to put on. I got to adjust the Hogue built fenders some more. You know, cleaning and polishing. It's a little dirty right now because it rained a little bit when I took it for a drive. Put about 15-20 miles on it, and another 15-20 miles on the Lodestar too. So beat the rain. Great day to take the trucks for a drive. But there's a road tractor without full rear fender, so she got a little dirty when we went through down a wet road. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy the way it looks. I friggin' love it. It's coming along fast, and looking great. Now we need this paint, we need this yellow to go. So thanks for watching, and I'll finish with a walk around of the L9000 with all her chromy goodness.